Good afternoon, everybody. This is Karen March from Hilton Head Island, South Carolina. Alright guys, this is our second day in a row at Jarvis Creek Park. I've got Freedom the Parrot in the cage right behind me. What a spectacular American alligator. He is just so beautiful. He's got his mouth open a little bit, and everybody's stopping by and taking pictures. And Jarvis Creek, it's a man-made lake. Very pretty. They've got beautiful trees. They've lost a lot of trees whenever they have a storm. You got these beautiful pine trees, but they had a lot of, let me think, not crepe myrtles, wax myrtles, that, I guess they don't have very deep roots. And when the wind blows and then you get too much water in here, hey Freedom, they tend to topple. All right, well, we're signing off live. Freedom, do you want to say hi? Got Freedom the Parrot here. Hey Freedom. Hi, pretty boy. Are you having fun? Hi, Freedom. What you doing? We got a big alligator in the distance. Hi, pretty boy. Hi, Freedom. Are you excited? Okay, Freedom. Freedom is having a... Hi, Freedom. He's having a blast. All right, guys. We're at a safe distance here, and we are signing off live. Bye, Freedom. Have a great day.